Linking your bank account to FuboTV allows for seamless payment processing for your subscription. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your FuboTV account. Visit the FuboTV website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have your account details ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, find the option for Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to proceed to the payment setup. Step 4. Add Bank Account Details. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number, as prompted. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your FuboTV account. After completing these steps, your bank account will be linked to FuboTV, allowing for easy subscription payments. Enjoy your streaming experience.